Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve this integral from the Indian JEE Advanced past paper. Alright, we need to calculate the integral from -1 to 2, absolute value of s minus absolute value of s minus 1 ds, right? Now, in order to solve this type of problems, we need to find a breakpoint, alright? So we have absolute value of s equals s if s greater than or equals 0, negative s if s less than 0, right? Now you have absolute value of s minus 1. Similarly, you have absolute value of s minus 1 equals s minus 1 if s greater than or equal to 1, right? And 1 minus s if s less than 1, right? Now, the breakpoints right here, 0 and 1 right here, right? So we're going to put this guy on the table right here. So I have the starting point is going to be -1. The end point is going to be 2, right? So -1, 2. The breakpoint is going to be 0 and 1, right? So I put 0 here and 1 here. Now, the first expression is this guy right here, right? So I put absolute value of s. Now the second one is going to be this guy, right? Absolute value of s minus 1, right? Now for this guy right here, I'm going to put this guy right here, right? Now go ahead, draw the line right here. Alright, now we have three intervals, -1 to 0, 0 to 1, and 1 to 2, right? Now from -1 to 0, we know that if s less than 0, and then it's going to be negative s, right? So this one should be negative s, right? Less than 0. If s greater than or equal to 0, it's going to be s only, right? So this guy s, this guy should be s because it's greater than or equal to 0, right? Now, for this guy right here, s less than 1, it's going to be 1 minus s, right? So 1 right here, so it's going to be 1 minus s, 1 minus s, if s less than 1, right? Now, if s greater than or equal to 1, it should be s minus 1, so this guy should be s minus 1, because s greater than or equal to 1, right? Now we need to subtract this one vertically, right? So negative s subtract 1 minus s, it should be -1, right? This guy subtract this guy, it should be 2s minus 1. This guy subtract this guy should be 1, right? Now this integral becomes integral from -1 to 0, right? The answer is only -1, right? So we put -1 right here, ds. Next one, add the integral from 0 to 1, right? The answer should be 2s minus 1, ds. And the third one, the integral from 1 to 2, right? The answer should be 1 right here, right? ds. So it's going to be the first one right here equals -s evaluated from -1 to 0 plus s squared minus s evaluated from 0 to 1, and the last one plus s evaluated from 1 to 2, right? So this guy becomes 0, substitute over here, it's going to be 0, right? Now the second one should be subtract negative of -1, right? This guy right here turns out to be 1 minus 1, right? This guy turns out to be 2 minus 1, right? Now simplify this one, it's going to be -1 plus 0 plus 1. So the answer must be 0. right? And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand